Hello everyone. I hope jotono kaham nong na. Mo tini current affairs ni Tripura current affairs ni part 2 to be haja. Last je video dui tinta questions je problem mangdak tong mane angabo angora further nong bagi correction tisa kisa khaito kha. क्योंकि sometimes त्रिपुरा नि व्यापारी जे परपुनो search internet रगोता kaisa dedicated kono first of all तो dedicated kono informations maya बुझिका गंकै ओ kaisa questions no kaisa platform mo search kaikanga kaisa answer phayo ta kaisa platform mo search kaikanga ta kaisa answer phayo mo haita बुझिका ganga but tabuk tini nije video ang already joto questions te cross verify kai tukka so that not confusing yatui so last video je koekta confusions questions tongmani ang abo kicha corrections khai riwana kicha naina rakdi जैसे कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 who from Tripura was conferred with the Padma Shri award in 2026 for their outstanding contributions to education संग नहीं बुझिका 2026 education ने बगी से Padma Shri award रिजागो अब मानना यंग खचिनी बरम गनंग नरेश चंद्र देवबर्मा ठीक है the last video नाइन ने दी अब चित्तरंजन देवबर्मा हेन रिजाक चित्तरंजन देवबर्मा पद्मश्री मांग ठीक न बट बहुत स्पिरिचुअलिटी वो समानो ठीक है सो हाई नेमो किसा क्रॉस वेरीफाई खाई नहीं तोंगमानी नोंगनो साइरिका एंड द कैसा क्वेश्चन दैट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर आई होप आई गेस द क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 हां और अतसे आं करेक्शन खाई रिका और दुईटा क्वेश्चन सो आं किसा फॉल्ट मान मानी एक्सपीरियंस रखबो साहकाबा आं हाई नि फर्दर करेक्शन खाई रिका हु वाज शोन एज द न्यू चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ Tripura High Court of Tripura hin chawdo katal High Court of Tripura chief justice sabo MS Ramchandra Rao bose tabuk at present to bujika bin chai sikang Paris Kumar Singh tongmani ठीक है ताई बोर निशय बस कंगो तिशा अमरनाथ गौड़ सॉन्ग तोंगमानी बट एट प्रेजेंट तबुक चिनी चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ त्रिपुरा अंका चिनी रामचंद्र राव MS रामचंद्र राव ठीक है और दुईटा क्वेश्चंस किसा करेक्शन खाजा नहीं तोंगमानी ओके तिनी जेताई फर्दर क्वेश्चंस कंटिन्यू खाय ना टाइम वेस्ट खालिया the question is who was appointed as the new chairman of Tripura Public Service Commission mo katal TPSC ni chairman kachini bukung bara no Dilip Kumar Chakma he is an IAS officer ठीक है अच्छा next Tripura hosted the first ever Northeast Regional Khelo India Women's League tournament in March 2026 for which sporting discipline that is for the judo. Next is the government of Tripura partnered with the which premium institute in May 2026 to introduce artificial intelligence diagnostic tool across all district hospital that is IIT Guwahati which is IIT Guwahati by March Khajak. Okay, next in February 2026 Tripura's health department achieved 100% saturation target under which central health campaign that is Ayushman Bharat campaign. I hope जरा हॉस्पिटल रखो था ना बरो साइमन ना आयुष्मान भारत नहीं तमो अच्छा चलो next question is where was the state's newly upgraded highly advanced tele mental health assistance networking across states telemanas cell established in April गंगा मोंग तोंगा modern psychiatric hospital नरसिंगौर ठीक है आज TIT कॉलेज नहीं तो कि चलाई दरोबो अच्छा next is what is the capacity of newly proposed green solar cold storage facility commissioned for biological vaccines in Agartala that is a 10 metric ton मास important या but ठीक है रीजन नहीं तो ही नहीं री रखा जे 39 number question चलो next which district of Tripura became the first to implement the blockchain technology for issuing the secure and verifiable caste certificate to the citizens of Tripura मनौरा त्रिपुरा ना तो माने but ठीक है क्वेश्चन और ऑलरेडी त्रिपुरा रीड का April 2026 this is West Tripura ठीक है next Tripura state computerization of agri makers markets CAM project tied up with which commercial bank March 2026 to ensure the real-time digital payments to the bamboo artisans Gangamonga Tripura State Cooperative Bank. Next, what is the main focal sector of the Tripura Japan Industrial Partnership Agreement signed in Tokyo February 2026? This is very important question. Bamboo based charcoal and textile manufacturing. Next question in May 2026 Indian Oil Natural Gas Corporation ONGC announced a major investment plan for the 1200 crore in Tripura execute with which project bo project no execute khaina bagai bujika ehon jisi rang rekha 1200 koti, that is exploration of 25 new deep well gas field. Next, the Tripura Tea Development Corporation TTDC launched a fresh boutique brand of organic tea in April 2026 named Tripura Queen Organic. Important question, TPSC rogni bagai important. Next, which state-owned entity of Tripura secured the multi-crore export order to supply the high-grade eco-friendly bamboo tiles to European countries in 2026? This is also very important question. That is TFDPC, Tripura Forest Development and Plantation Corporation. More forest exam ni लिहाज से भी important. चलो next, Panchayati Raj related tam question आदि. According to the Ministry of Rural Development data released in May 2026, which block in Tripura ranked the first in rural housing completions under PMAYG? ठीक है, this is very important question. कहाँ development का, that is तोलाशीकर block. ठीक है, मो एक एकटा जगह और क्वेश्चंस ना एक एकटा जगह एक एक आंसर माना ना बुझी का, बट मो ऑलरेडी सोशल मीडिया रोगो फाइजाक न्यूज़ रोगो फाइजाक था ही नहीं. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और क्वेश्चन कैसा वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, दिस इज दैट इज तोलाशीकर ब्लॉक. The Tripura government launched the Amar Gram Unnatogram project in January 2026 to guarantee 100% pipe water connectivity under Jal Jeevan Mission across how many aspirational villages? This is 500 villages. This is also very important question. Google search, internet search khaigenge different answer mano, but this is also in the news channel already phaijak bujhi ka, Tripura Times rogo phaijak. Okay, chalo next question. Next question ka, that is which rural traditional handicraft cooperative society from the Tripura received national recognition at the Deen Dayal Antodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Mission NRLM. ठीक है, DIY NRLM meet in April 2026. that is Tripura Tribal Women Artisans Guild Khwai. Which municipality of Tripura won the cleanest small city? Omo kintu cleanest small city se do network search khai ka angka omo cleanest small city ni data phono glak boro boro maya ang thango, but for the cleanest small city ke Udaipur Municipal Council bujiga ta kaisa angka khwai phono go, but that is not for the cleanest small city bujiga abo angka uprising small city rokhi hin phono go khwai ni information angka. So ama as important yahine angaro ridliya. And the next is which historic site in Tripura being systematically curated to build the northeast largest rock cut sculpture open air museum, जैसे कि और rock cut sculpture हिंसा कांगा ना definitely it is Onokoti. ठीक है, अच्छा. In January 2026, the Tripura Tourism Development Corporation introduced its first luxury houseboat cruise. Tripura ni houseboat cruise, luxury houseboat cruise nganga borong na nang. Definitely it should be a Dombur Lake. Otherwise you can eliminate with the options बुझिएगा. ओके, चलो मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट. क्या बोला है देखो, अंडर द न्यूली अपडेटेड सुपर 30 एजुकेशनल स्कीम इन Tripura for 2026, the state will bear the coaching cost of how many students cracking competitive engineering and medical exams? It is initially mo 30 students ni bagay no abagay no o scheme ni bomong ka super 30 बुझिएगा, but later on omo UPSC rogni candidates rogno achogrina hene nai ba tamen chanai mock practice ro khairna hene ba coaching guide khaina hene nai amo UPSC ne bagai jodi no hin question phaikangka among nai 100 students kok da bujika UPSC ba competitive exams rogni bagai koijon students rogno coaching rina hene nai assistance ba promise khaika government nin sakangka, that will be afrong nai 100 students bujika. But since amo super 30 the scheme nibo mongsa already super 30, so answer will be 30 student. ठीक है, don't get confused. Okay, next, the Tripura government launched the Mukhyamantri Kanya Atmanirbhar Yojana in March 2026. What does it distribute to the meritorious female college students? Angka electric two-wheeler. Samia basuk jona koijona beri rok jani mangka two-wheeler scooter rok. It's fine. Congratulations jara manai rok. Ar jara maya rok kam ke pordi in future mana nangan. Next, which university in Tripura achieved an A plus grade tamaba sojakok sasena NAAC in early in 2026? ICFA university. जेहेतु mo university ni kok saka mo angkai ICFA university bujika or bo college hin sao ka angkai bo college hin saka angkai I as long as I remember mo Holy Cross college na college ni bo mong saka angkai Holy Cross college nai angora sirika ठीक है और जो यूनिवर्सिटी हिन सका के यूनिवर्सिटी ने बगा हिंगा देट इज इक्फा यूनिवर्सिटी क्योंकि होली क्रॉस कॉलेज तो कॉलेज है यूनिवर्सिटी तो याना ठीक है चलो कंफ्यूज तंग दिया हमारे क्वेश्चंस रोगो बकरक थांडा के एग्जाम रोग रेनानी next moving to the next question in February 2026 Tripura set up the first formal state of the art sign language translations and the training cell in which location that is Obhoynagoro ठीक है language sign by porashona खाइजाग नहीं next what is the primary purpose of the Sankal portal ruled out by the Tripura the Directorate of Social Welfare in May Ganka that is transparent verification and the immediate disbursement of the monthly widow pensioners next law related what is the question Naidi next question in February 2026 which police station in Tripura was awarded the Union Home Minister's trophy for the best police station this is very very important from all the aspects interview Hindi jail police rogni bagi Hindi बुझेगा फायर सर्विस एग्जाम त्रिपुरा पुलिस कांस्टेबल एवरी एग्जाम ने बगी दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट इज द राधा किशोरपुर पुलिस स्टेशन ठीक है बेस्ट पुलिस स्टेशन मानजाक नेक्स्ट द त्रिपुरा पुलिस लॉन्च्ड एन एडवांस साइबर क्राइम प्रिवेंशन एप्लीकेशन इन 2026 इंका व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द स्टेट स्पेसिफिक ऐप दैट इज त्रिपुरा साइबर सुरक्षा 9 रंग बस सिलेक्टिव एकदम इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस तो है क्या बुझेगा सो काम के फॉलो खाई दी काम के नाई दी फोर दम तीर बुझेगा कारेंट अफेयर्स आस्ते आस्ते पढ़ने हैबिट खाई नहीं अभ्यास खाई दी सो दैट इन फ्यूचर तो कारेंट अफेयर्स फाचिंग आस्ते आस्ते जो तो कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम फोकस गई तंगब्ला सो जाते इंटरेस्ट तंगना नांगा कारेंट अफेयर्स अच्छा मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है नाडी टू कर्ब द इलीगल ड्रग ट्रेड अंडर द ड्रग फ्री त्रिपुरा mission the state government established its first dedicated high tech anti narcotics drone monitoring unit in May 2026 बहुत जगह नाम जाका चुराईबारी बॉर्डर चेक पोस्ट जेहेतु बॉर्डर तिमांग से जे ड्रग रिलेटेड तमिन छनाई नेशा द्रव्य whatever the drug ni manero phaibla so a jaga no first of all this drone has been launched fine next who took over the new director general of police this is very important question for all the फाइने जेल पुलिस रोगनी बा जेल वार्डर रोगनी एग्जाम्स रोगनी बागै दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दो करेंट डीजीपी साब त्रिपुरानी बुझिका समवेयर इट इज रिटन अमिताभ रंजन बुझिका समवेयर इट इज रिटन राजेश कुमार राव बट द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी अनुराग धनकर दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ठीक है नेक्स्ट इन अप्रैल 2026 the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council TTADC passed a landmark resolution demanding the constitutional recognition for which council administrative body this is Tripura Territorial Council very important question TTADC ne aspect next the Tripura State Electricity Corporation Limited TSECL received a massive infrastructure modernization loan for the international agency in May bob by Gang Asian Development Bank mo phaimang tong Asian Development Bank kabang ma त्रिपुरा वो छनाई कंट्रीब्यूशंस खाइमांग तंगो ठीक है दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फंड रोग्रीमांग तंगो द ओके चलो नेक्स्ट व्हिच सिटी इन त्रिपुरा बिकेम द सेकंड से द मोस्ट सेकंड आफ्टर अगरतला टू इम्प्लीमेंट द फुल्ली ऑटोमेटेड GIS मैप्ड अंडरग्राउंड सीवेज ड्रेनेज सिस्टम इन मार्च दैट इज उदयपुर Agartala Smart City launched limited launched the fleet 50 new public transportation vehicles in January 2026 what type of vehicles are they that is e-bus electric e-bus next this is very important question this 65 number is very very important question TPSC निभागे तो very important no अच्छा in February 2026 the Palatana OTPC thermal power plant in Tripura successfully commissioned a new energy efficiency unit what is the total power generation capacity of the plant now that is option number A 726.6 megawatt ठीक है very important next according to the SLBC State Level Bankers Committee report published in April 2026 which bank maintains the highest credit deposit CD ratio in rural Tripura that is Tripura Gramin Bank asking important ya jara hoyto ba in future RRB exam rogiwan Tripura Gramin Bank rogni that is important exam ni perspective The Reserve Bank of India opened a sub-office extension unit in Agartala in March 2026 primarily to enhance financial literacy and institutional grievances monitoring in the remote border block. तीन किसा ऑडियो किसा दोजा खाई क्योंकि वी हैव आई एम ट्राइंग टू कवर द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस बुझिका सो जरा एकदम मनोजोगरी पढ़ी तो नहीं डेफिनेटली किसा नोट डाउन खाई ना रख दी उसके बाद स्क्रीनशॉट फोन बुई ना रख दी बुझिका बट डेफिनेटली खाता नोट डाउन खाई पढ़ दी कारण एफियार्स पढ़ी ना हंगा दिस इज द बेस्ट वे बखरगो तोरना हंगा जस्ट पीडीएफ सिमी बा वीडियो सिमी नाइमा बाई इट नेवर बखरगो तोर गया बुझिका सो इट इज़ बेटर यू नोट इट डाउन ठीक है अच्छा नेक्स्ट चलो इन जनवरी 2026 त्रिपुरा अचीव द हिस्टोरिक माइलस्टोन बाय द रजिस्टरिंग द हाउ मेनी ऑपरेशनल एमएसएमईस ऑन द सेंट्रल उद्यम पोर्टल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एमएसएमई फुल फॉर्म रंगनाय दी इंटरव्यू रगो संजागन तो माइक्रो स्मॉल मिनी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप ना ठीक है मीडियम सॉरी माइक्रो स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ठीक है इट इज़ 50 NABARD sanctioned 210 crores under the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund to Tripura in February 2026 to construct khayna bagirika rural bridges and minor irrigation channels. Next, in January 2026, who from Tripura was appointed as the India's cultural ambassador of South Asian Heritage Council? That is our Chini Jishnu Dev Burman. ठीक है तब वो करेंटली बहुत जगह गवर्नर पोस्ट हम जग नहीं दी ठीक है महाराष्ट्र वो बताबो करंट गवर्नर जाक बुझिका दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आगे बरो तंगमानी आमो कमेंट्स ऑफ रिबाय दी जतन जिष्णु देव बर्मन पुइला बो स्टेट नि गवर्नर ठीक है चलो नेक्स्ट 71 नंबर क्वेश्चन था मैं व्हिच prominent woman social reformer and Padma Shri awardee from Tripura was appointed as the chairperson of the newly formed State Commission for the Protection of Child Rights in May 2026, Dr. Basanti Deborma. Agartala born scientist Dr. Subroto Das was in news in April 2026 leading a major research breakthrough at ISRO involving this is very important question though ISRO related questions rogba about Tripura by development ng jagba so ka radar system for mapping the northeast river basins. Next, in February 2026 the standard sports shooter Saurabh Das Gupta became the first born in Tripura to achieve which milestone, securing the gold in ISSF World Cup Juniors. Next, on January 21, 2026, Tripura celebrated the statehood. This is very important again question. Very important question. Ganga Busuk statehood they celebrate khaiga 54th statehood day. Next, what was the central organizing theme for the state level Republic Day parade? This is very important again. Zara Tripura police constable but Tripura police rongne bage rinai rongne bage. This is Viksit Bharat and Viksit Tripura. Monka Republic Day parade ni theme. Next, in March 2026, Tripura observed State Renewable Energy Week, which district was declared the highest solar rooftop adapter during the award ceremony. This is West Tripura. Next, on the occasion of World Environment Day observed early in the life cycle of upcoming state strategies, curated state program launched in the May 2026. The State Forest Department launched the mass afforestation drive targeting the planting of how many saplings? 10 lakh bufangkai nani bagi plan na zakha. And the next, which central correctional facility in Tripura was in the news in the February 2026 for setting up a modern inmate run bakery and processing unit to foster vocational skill. Gagamo central jail Vishalgar zara jail police ni bagi exam renai bong bagi important question mo. Next, what new variety of export grade sweet lime engineered by the College of Agriculture Lembuchora was introduced to the local farmers in March? Lembuchora's sweet 6 lebu katal bujika lebu no babak satam hin jambi katal chalo choro. To document and protect the historical sites of the state, the Tripura Tourism Development partner with the Archaeological Survey of Tripura April 2026 launched a statewide exploration drive. Which lesser known site was prioritized for restoration? Boxnogorni Buddhist stupa. Very nice. This is very nice place to visit. Okay, okay, fine. Next, in January 2026, Tripura State Aviation Wing announced a subsidized helicopter taxi fare module for matching connectivity loops between Agartala and Jampui Hill and Gandachara. All jagah tak helicopter ni road facility available tongo जरा रंगना रहो तो डेफिनेटली ट्राई खाई नहीं दे चलो नेक्स्ट द Tripura State Disaster Management Authority conducted the mega mock drill exercises code name Akash very important current affairs of Akash 2026 April 2026 to test the emergency readiness gangatamo high intensity seismic earthquake events 83 number question gatamo the information and the cultural affairs ICA department of Tripura launched a weekly publications in January 2026 to highlight rural development achievements what is the name of this bulletin ganka very important question Tripura Pragati ठीक है आं वीडियो 83 जराते कवर खाई क्या फाइनाई कमिंग डेज रखो तेबो क्वेश्चंस रखनो कवर खाई जागन ठीक है गांके टारगेट नंग नो री रिखा जदि नो 83 क्वेश्चंस ता कवर खाई का बा 83 ता लाइक्स फाइकांके और पर्टिकुलर वीडियो डेफिनेटली जैसे दागती टारगेट अचीव गनो 83 ता लाइक्स कावन असंग दागती नो नेक्स्ट करंट अफेयर्स नि पार्ट नो तुई हायाना नंग बसकांगो सो काम के चैनल नो फॉलो खादी सब्सक्राइब खादी तो डेफिनेटली शेयर खाई रेदी ठीक है सो असंग नो थैंक यू